Hey everybody, it's Katie, the messy gardener, the real messy gardener. I'm out in my yard today and I'm back from hiatus. My life has calmed down just a little bit. Had a new grandbaby coming in, had some extra work coming on, but we're kind of settled a little bit now, so I'm ready to get back into the game of talking about gardening with you guys. I want to bring you along on my journey to redo my yard. I want to make it into an absolute gorgeous flower and food yard, food forest, flowers, you name it, buzz bees, hummingbirds, wildlife, hang out, stuff like that. That's what I want to do. I also want to share my love of gardening and the little bit of knowledge that I have gathered as a master gardener over the years with you and help you find your passion with gardening. Come and hang out with us and have a good old time. Once in a while, you'll have to keep an eye out for a pop-up episode called It's All About the Spin, which is where I talk about current events and what's going on in the world and hopefully don't get banned from YouTube. Anyways, keep your eye out for that. Keep your eye out for a bunch of new videos coming up. I'm coming out with a new series on how to collect your seeds in the fall time and how to store them, how to get them separated from the seed head. Have some coming up on some plant profiles coming up, how to start your garden, the very beginning to the very beginning of gardening. I want to garden. Now what do I do? Those kind of things. That's what we're going to be going over. Keep an eye out. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can keep up on when I'm on. I might even try to do a few lives. We don't know. We'll have to hang out. Come and hang out with us and our dogs and our chickens and our ducks and our cats and the occasional elk that goes wandering through and all the deer that hang out in my yard and eat my plants. But we'll have fun in the meantime. Anyways, you have a good day. This is Katie, the Messy Gardener, signing off. Hope to see you soon.